Why? Why Smule? Why? You want to be able to live jam and to share songs and to sing from now on in the year 2020 on Smule? You might have to create a group for that. If you're not in a group yet and you notice that the live jam option disappeared, this is the right video for you. Because if you're not in a group yet, you can't live jam and you might have to create your own. So how do you do it? Let me explain. To create a new group on Smule, you have to open Smule on your iOS device or on the smule.com homepage. Yes, short disclaimer, it doesn't work on Android, surprise surprise. It is nothing new that Smule is neglecting Android users. I mean, you see it on other features already. For example, you can't scroll through the lyrics in a song, you can't hide a layer. Anyways, all those kind of things, they're being neglected by Smule, and the same thing happens here. You can't create a group on your Android device. So because of that, I suggest to all Android users, if you want to create a group through the homepage. I'll show you how to do it. But after everything, we see that it is indeed possible to get Android on the same technical status as the iOS system. Why is it not possible for Smule? I personally don't know. Anyways, let's get right into how to create a group. To create a group on iOS or the web server, you have to first navigate to the Explore tab. You see all kinds of sections, for example, trending artists, trending recordings. You have all kinds of stuff here, and all you have to do is scroll down to the group section and tap See All. Once you've done that, all you have to do is just tap on the plus sign, and this way you create a new group. But before I get to the required fields you have to fill out to create a new group, only about 5% of my watchers are subscribers. So guys, if you want to belong to the elite 5% and not to the 95 unknown percent, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. It is for free and would help me out a lot, so I really appreciate it. Going back to the form you need to fill out. Fill out any required fields and any optional ones that are helpful for users to find your group. Okay, the first one is obviously you have to come up with a group name. The second one is give your group a profile picture and make sure you have the right format. And the next is come up with a group tag for your group performances. So for example, for my group, Resonance, I have hashtag ResOC, OC, which stands for open call, which is any song that you open, or we have Reso group songs or whatever, and you can do that for your group as well. I would choose to just take the initials of your group sometimes when the group name is too long, and you can just come up with whichever you want. Next one, think of a description for your group. Find the right words to describe your group and what you're all about, maybe when you were founded, etc., etc. Another one is find tags for people to find your group, which is basically what I just said before for the OCs or group performances, but yeah, I would just come up with a general hashtag for people to actually find easily everything that has to do with your group. You can also select the location or a language for your group. I would just choose generally English. Unless you are a specific group for a specific country, then I would obviously choose the language of that country. And all you have to do afterwards is click on create, and at this point your group is basically created. All you have to do is invite people to your group. If you want to start or join a live jam in 2020 and you don't want to create a group or no one's joining your group, you can always request other groups to join them. You can do this by looking for official groups on the Explore tab as I just showed and request to join one of these open groups. Some of them might be private so that you can only join them if they actually invited you to it. And it's indeed that easy, guys. There are some groups from Smule that were formed on other apps, like messaging apps like Line, for example, which is very usual for Smule users. But to create an actual live jam, you have to have a group on Smule. Anyways, if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and share with people that could find it useful as well. Thank you so much and see you next time.